What's up, YouTube? You already know the way. Hope you're having a great day. It's your girl May, back with another video. And today, home, of course, because quarantine, corona's out here, so you have to be home, be safe, make sure y'all stay inside, and stay safe out here because this thing is really spreading and it's scary and all that stuff. But yeah, today we're at home, and we're gonna get a video for y'all. So today's video, since can't do public interviews at school, and that's like my main videos, I decided to do it electronically, so we're gonna do public interviews on Monkey. But for today's video, the question is, do you guys prefer a girl with a pretty face or a girl with a nice body? And if there's a girl, I could ask the same question, because you could ask if would you prefer a guy with a nice face or a nice body. So that's what we're gonna do on Monkey. Ask people that, and let's see how it goes. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We are on the road 600 supporters. We are currently at 562. We need to get to 600 before end of April. And for sure, we're getting 1K before the end of this year. Before 2020 ends, we're hitting 1K subs. And yeah, so let's get this video started. Start the screen recording. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so we're gonna go on Monkey. We're doing both genders, so yeah. I don't like when it's two people. I just feel like it's too much work. Hello? Like, people be dumb. Like, bro, just say something. Why you finna be on the app if you're not finna say nothing, boy? Poor St. Lucie. That's in Florida. Hello? Bruh. If one more person... Are they serious? Alright, it's a girl. Let's see if she answers. No face, no case. Are you serious?
You're pretty, bye.
So she's gonna talk to me the whole time, but she can tell me I'm pretty by the end, like, okay.
So,
hello?
Could you rate me? Could you rate me? Because, you know, my friends been...
Okay, can you add time?
Add time?
Yeah, because I have a question for you too. But I give you an 8.
Alright, that's what's up.
Okay, so my question is, do you prefer a girl with a nice body or a nice face? Or a pretty face?
So, like, that's complicated. It's really complicated. Because what happens if she has a nice body, but an ugly-ass face?
Exactly.
What happens if she has a nice face, but an ugly-ass body?
Gotta pick one.
I am judgmental. But what I'm trying to say is, I'd rather have the pretty face. Actually, I'm fucking the body. So I'd rather have the body. I'd rather have the body.
Alright, that's real.
And then she put a trash bag or a cartoon bag, whatever, on her fucking face.
That's smart.
Slam that shit on. Yeah, that's it.
Alright, thank you.
What about you? A guy with a... Which one? A guy... Which one? A guy with a fit body and a small dick, or a guy with a fat body and a big dick?
A fit body. I can't. He was funny. See, I need people like that who will actually interact with me, you know? I forgot to ask him where he's from, whatever. Hello?
What up?
Where are you from?
Louisiana.
Cool. So I got a question for you. Okay, add time.
Yeah.
Okay. So the question is, do you prefer a girl with a nice body or a pretty face?
I mean, like, is her body, like, super skinny? Or, like... Or is it just like
I don't. It's just like I don't even know. Just
probably a pretty face.
Pretty face. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. All right.
Pretty face, he said. No face, no case. Next. I don't like when it's two people. Hello.
What's up?
Where are you from?
Oregon.
Cool. So I have a question for you. Do you prefer a girl with a nice body or a pretty face?
What?
A girl with a nice body or a pretty face?
Pretty face.
Pretty face. Okay, thank you. Ha. MIA. Hello.
What's up?
Where are you from?
Miami.
Me too. At time?
Part of Miami live?
Like Miami Gardens.
Where?
Like Miami Gardens.
Oh shit, I live by Coral Gables. I live in Coral Gables.
Oh, you live like Miami.
Yeah, I live like Coconut Grove, Coral Gables type shit.
Alright, I got a question for you. So, do you prefer a girl with a nice body or a pretty face?
Both. I mean,
You gotta pick one.
pretty face. Pretty face.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Ahaha. Miami people. Hello?
You know what they call? Oh, fine. What's up?
Hi. Can you add time?
Yeah.
So, where are you from?
Columbus, Ohio. How your quarantine going?
Pretty good. It's fine for me. I like it.
I like being away from school.
Me too, exactly. I like that. But I got a question for you.
Yeah.
So, do you prefer a girl with a nice body or a pretty face?
Damn, this is a hard. Hold up. Nice body, pretty face. Nice body, pretty face. I'll say pretty face.
Pretty face? Alright, thank you. Real. None of them have chose body over face yet.
Colorado.
It's cool.
No.
So I have a question for you. I'm from Florida.
Wait. Okay.
I'm from Florida.
Nice.
But would you prefer a guy with a nice body or a pretty face?
I don't really know.
Can't choose?
Mm-mm.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Awkward. I hate myself. The thing about this is like you say something to somebody but then you don't ever see them again, so it's like easy.
What's up?
Hello.
What you doing?
Making a YouTube video actually.
Oh, word. Hey, wait, are you editing it?
No, like you're in it right now.
Oh, word.
Yeah.
What's up?
Where are you from?
Where I'm from Texas.
Cool. So I have a question for you.
What's up?
Do you prefer a girl with a nice body or a pretty face?
You know what? That's a hard shit. You know what? I'd rather have a girl with a decent face and a nice body.
That's real. A decent face. Okay.
She don't gotta be all that.
Okay, thank you.
You will.
You woke. They don't even finish their sentences. You woke. Hello. Hi. Where are you from?
I live in Miami.
Me too.
It's good.
Do you
How old are you?
I'm 16.
That's good.
Yeah, I have a question. So, do you prefer a girl with a nice body or a pretty face?
Pretty face.
That's real.
That's you. You have a pretty face.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, how nice of you. I know you're lying, but it's okay. You're still nice. I appreciate it. Oh, hello.
Hi.
Where are you from?
Joking. That's what I'm doing.
Huh?
Got some UK color.
What?
Yo, I said I've got some UK color.
I'm confused.
Do you know what it is?
Yeah, I know what it is.
Yeah. Yeah, UK though.
Okay, like, I don't understand what that man said except, do you know what it is? Hello.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Antigua.
From where?
Antigua.
Oh, I have a question for you. Do you prefer with a girl with a nice body or a pretty face?
Pretty face.
Okay, that's real. Thank you.
I don't look at looks though. That's not me.
Personality is where
Can't
it's at.
judge a book by its.
Exactly, like that. Real personality is where it's at. 13. When I was 13, I had my first love. Let me stop being weird. Hello.
Hello.
Where are you
I have a
from?
question.
Oh, yeah, I have a question too, but you can go first.
Should I do define curls in my hair, or just leave it?
I think you should leave it.
I think I should just leave it
Yeah.
and not do the curls.
Yeah.
All right. And then what's your question?
Do you prefer a guy with a nice body or a pretty face?
Ooh, I don't really care about like looks as much. I care about personality more, I would say.
Yeah, I feel you.
How about you?
I mean, like, if I had to choose, then probably like a okay body and an okay face, like half and half.
Yeah, I would say maybe face.
Yeah.
I don't really know. I don't really care about body. I'm 11, so like.
Oh, okay. All
How old
right.
are you?
16.
Oh, yeah. I'm 11. I'm
Alright.
in 6th grade. Many people don't believe me that I'm.
Yeah, I thought you were like way older.
Alright, nice
Alright.
talk.
Bye.
Bye.
She was nice. A good convo. A little lap. A hot hot. A hot hot. Oh, sorry. Hello. Alright. No, she's just doing too much. Like, I don't know if that would be funny, but she's just doing too much. Like, it's just loud for no reason. It's funny. I like doing this. It's like at home. Why do you meet you? Hello.
Hello.
Where you from?
North Carolina, where you from?
Florida.
I can kind of tell. Ad time. How old are you?
16.
My brother 15. Like, he want to talk to you real quick. Is that a
for real?
problem?
Nope, it's not a problem.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Florida, baby.
Yo, they funny. My brother 15, he want to talk to you real quick. Hello.
We go back to this.
He almost fell. Kids these days. Right now. Hello. Hi. Do you prefer boys with a nice body or a nice face?
What?
A boy with a nice body or a pretty face?
A pretty face.
Pretty face. Alright. One more person. One more person. Hello?
One bite?
Sure. Tasty. Yeah, you got time.
What's good?
Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Israel.
Israel.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Where you from?
From Florida.
Oh, Florida.
Yeah.
Okay.
So my question is, like Miami.
Oh, good.
So my question is, do you prefer a girl with a nice body or a pretty face?
I prefer both, but if I had to choose between the two, it would be a nice body.
Alright, that's real. Thank you.
You welcome.
Ha. Alright, let's just do one more person just for like the fun of it. Cause like that one was good. So like one more person. I believe. Hello.
Hey.
Where are you from?
I'm from Wisconsin.
Cool. So I have a question for you. I'm from Florida. I'm from Florida. But do you prefer a guy with a nice body or a pretty face?
Say it again.
A guy with a nice body or a pretty face?
That's hard. I'm not even gonna lie. That's hard because, like, if the person got a pretty face and they got an ugly body, then.
Mm-hmm. But then the other way.
And then a nice body and an ugly face, then.
If you had to choose.
Probably the nice face.
Me too. Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, y'all. That was the end of the video. Got a couple clips for y'all. That was fun. I'm gonna be doing a lot more of these and like home videos, stuff like that, because obviously you can't go outside, can't go to school to do public interviews. So I gotta do monkey interviews. So I'm gonna do a lot of these. I hope you like this video really. Let me know any types of questions that y'all want me to ask on monkey while I do these. or any other videos I could do at home. Like I'm thinking of doing videos with my family because that's really who I have to do videos with right now. I don't really see my friends like that except for like on FaceTime and stuff like that. But I really hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 600 supporters. We need to get there by the end of this month, y'all. Let's get there. So to get there, I need y'all to share my channel, send people my videos, tell them to watch it. Hopefully they like it. They like it, they finna subscribe. Make them subscribe. We're on the road to 1K also. So by the end of the year, so we can hit 1K. If you got any type of videos or ideas you want me to do, let me know and I'm gonna do it. So that's really it. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your girl May, and I'm out.